Imagine waking up, checking your retirement account, and seeing half your nest egg gone. That's exactly what almost happened to Mark in Naples, Florida. He was 68, recently retired from a 30-year engineering career, and he thought his portfolio was rock solid. But then the markets dipped, inflation kept rising, and the headlines even worse. Bank of America warns of a looming recession. U.S. debt hits record highs. Moody's issues downgrade warning. Geopolitical tensions send gold prices soaring past $2,200 an ounce. If you're retired or about to be, and you're wondering what's actually safe anymore, this video is for you, because today we're breaking down the best safe investments for capital preservation. With a real story of how Mark secured his future with one strategic move most retirees never even consider. Let's be honest. Retirees like Mark didn't spend decades working hard just to cross their fingers and hope things work out. He had around $570,000 sitting in his traditional IRA. Stocks, mutual funds, the usual. But after watching his account lose nearly 12% in just a few months, he knew he needed to pivot. What did he do? He rolled over $250,000 into a Gold IRA. Now, before you think, isn't that just another gimmick? Hear this. Gold isn't just some shiny metal. It's been used as a store of value for thousands of years. And in times of inflation, war, and political chaos, it tends to rise when everything else falls. That's why smart retirees use Gold IRAs. They're IRS approved. You stay in control of your assets. And they're built to preserve capital, not chase risky returns. Since moving part of his IRA into gold, Mark hasn't just stopped worrying. He's slept better. He knows that no matter what happens on Wall Street or in Washington, he's protected. And it all started with a free guide and no obligation call he took, just like this one we're offering you today. Now, if you're wondering, well, what are my other safe options? You're right to ask. Cash equivalents like CDs or treasury bills, they can be safe, but they barely outpace inflation, and they're vulnerable if the Fed pivots again. Annuities? Some are stable, but lock up your money and come with hefty fees. Real estate? Also good, but it's not liquid, and not everyone wants to be a landlord in retirement. But gold? It's tangible, liquid, and historically one of the best hedges against uncertainty. That's why more and more retirees are moving $100K, $250K, even seven-figure rollovers into gold IRAs. But they're not doing it because of hype. They're doing it because they care about preserving what they built. Because they want to leave behind a legacy, not just an account balance. Look, if you're 55 or older and have over $100,000 in an IRA or 401k, this is the moment to take a smart first step. Click the link to get your free Gold IRA guide and book a one-on-one, zero-pressure educational call. It's not a sales pitch. You won't get pushed into anything. Just honest answers about how to protect your retirement in this crazy economy. And who knows? Like Mark, this might be the beginning of your most confident financial chapter yet. You worked hard for your money. Now let it work hard for you. Preserve it. Protect it. Pass it on. Click now. Get the free guide and take the first step.